Stop stressing about low productivity, boost it by making health a priority. Here's how. As an HR manager, you know that a healthy team is a happy team, but how do you motivate your employees to prioritize their health? Start with simple initiatives like offering standing desks or organizing walking meetings. These small changes can make a big impact on energy levels and productivity. Next, consider hosting regular wellness challenges. Whether it's a step count competition or a healthy recipe exchange, these activities can foster a sense of community and friendly competition. And don't forget the power of incentives. Rewarding employees for participating in health programs can boost engagement. Now here's a pro-tip: partner with experts like healthfairsdirect.com. They can bring health screenings and wellness workshops right to your office, making it easy and convenient for your team to stay on top of their health. Remember, healthier employees mean fewer sick days, higher productivity, and a more vibrant workplace. Ready to make health a priority? Let's get started today.